Recently, I've gotten a lot of comments saying this doesn't work and that doesn't work, so I thought it'd be a good idea to put together a video where I try to address all of your guys' concerns. Before we start, I just want to ask, if you guys enjoy this type of content, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps with the channel, and we just hit 4,000 subs. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Alright, so we're in a brand new studio, and the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to Toolbox, My Models, and click the Realistic Horror Game Kit that you downloaded from the description of this video. When you insert it, click OK. You can exit out of Toolbox, and it should be inserted into your workspace. The next thing we're going to do is set up the kit itself. So if we go inside of Explorer, you'll see the Realistic Horror Game Kit. We're going to open that folder, and you'll see 5 models labeled where they need to go. So for example, the workspace model, we can drag inside of the workspace. Then we can right click on it and click Ungroup. Now everything inside of that workspace model is set up, and you're going to repeat this process with the 4 other models. When you're done, we can move on to the next step. I was getting a ton of comments saying that the keys weren't working. The keys aren't color coordinated, so the red isn't going to unlock the red and the yellow isn't going to unlock the yellow. You need to set them up, and it's actually really easy to do so. If we go inside of replicated storage and go to the yellow key, you'll see a value in it called target door. This value is set to nothing right now. What you need to do is select the door that you want, so this is the correct lock door, and then we're going to set that target door value to that model. Now, this yellow key will unlock this yellow door. And if you do the same thing with the red key, the target door value to the target locked door, now this red key will unlock the red door. Just thought I'd quickly explain that because a lot of people were confused as to why the keys weren't working. That is how you set them up. There were a couple bugs with the kit that I fixed as well. One of them being this desk right here that you can hide under. It wasn't working because it wasn't able to find like a face decal, but I fixed that. So now clicking interact, you can hide under it and then you can interact with it to get out, and it is working fine. As with the NPC, everything seems to be working fine. If I get too close to it, it jump scares me and then turns black and respawns me. So everything seems to be working good with the NPC. But if you guys have any bugs that you find with that, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video. I just wanted to quickly clarify and explain how to set everything up because I was getting a lot of comments saying that this doesn't work, but you probably didn't set it up correctly, which is okay. This video can serve as an explanation to all of your problems. As with every video, make sure you join my Discord server linked in the description or the pinned comment. I have great staff and we try to help you with any bugs or errors that you may have. Make sure to let me know anything that you want added to the kit. Chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.